What's up, guys? It's like 3 in the morning, just eating some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Yeah. I need to pee really bad. Let's see if I can burp. Hold on. Oh god, food almost came out. I'm just gonna finish up this little bit and I'm gonna try and burp. I mean, I don't think you'll mind me eating, so whatever. Done. Milk's not so great for someone who's lactose intolerant. Okay. Hold on here. I like super duper white. Like my face is literally the color of my fridge. Like I blend in. This is probably the only time I would accept someone to be like, "Oh, you're white." Yeah, shut the F up.